All right, happy homeowners. Here we go. Been here about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Just got sand in. I want you to see the difference in this natural white oak rustic floor. What it used to look like, what it's going to look like. Turn this around. So there you go. That's your natural finish. 99.9% of the time, rustic white oak. Got your knot holes, your mineral marks, which just make this a beautiful floor. But that yellowish tint from the finish is what kind of takes away from the beauty of the white oak. So here it is. See the difference? Look at that. The light on there. That's the difference. So what's going to happen is we've already gotten the okay. We're going to use that Loba 2K Invisible, so it will look exactly like the raw wood. These beautiful knot holes, they're just going to pop. They're going to stand out. Look at the difference. Crazy. Around this black handrail, the steps being that natural color. See the difference? It's going to change this entire house. It's already beautiful. It's just going to make it that much better. So stay tuned.